There are numerous products available to choose at Amazon kitchen gadgets under $20, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive exploration, read tons of reviews, and collected a list of the stylish best Amazon product under $20 from estimable brands. After much exploration, I set up these products that are very helpful for people like you. However, be sure to know about the price and other information. Check my description. So without any further detention, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 4-in-1 longzon knife sharpener with a pair of cut-resistant glove. About this item, price increases soon. Buy today to get 24 months warranty. High quality, the grinding position is made of tungsten steel, emery, high-hardness ceramics and other materials, which can be used for more than 3 years. Multifunction, with the 4-stage knife sharpener, you can sharpen blunt knives easily and professionally. 3-step sharpening process, keeps your kitchen knives brilliantly sharp. Ergonomically designed, non-slip rubber base and ergonomic handle bring good cooking experience. The bottom of the knife sharpener has non-slip rubber bases that prevent slipping during use. Easy to use, small and practical, easy to use. Simply place the blade in the sharpening notch and gently pull the knife through a few times. After a few seconds, restore your blunt knives. Satisfactory service, longzon professional kitchen knife sharpener offer refund or replacement. If you have any question, please contact us. You will enjoy 100% customer service. Number 2. Zulay Original Milk Frother Handheld Foam Maker for Lattes. About this item, make rich, creamy froth in seconds. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss Frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without any trip to a coffee shop with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte. You know your tastes best. Matcha whisking, coffee and more. Works better than a manual matcha whisk for making matcha tea and works far better than fork or whisk for coffee. It works very well to mix nutritious protein powder drinks with no extra container, blender or bottle shaker to wash. Use our mini mixer for your whisking and mixing needs. Give healthy shakes and smoothies a kick by adding powder or eggnog flavor and mixing. Proven and trusted quality, we use only premium materials. The construction will last, backed by our Zulay guarantee to not rust or break, ever. Our small and efficient frother works on all types of milk, half and half, creamer, soy, almond, cashew, hazelnut, whole milk, and other dairies such as butter or cream. Easy to clean and store, the durable convenient metal stand gives easy access for foamy goodness in seconds. Cleanup for this matcha whisk and frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on, instantly clean. When stored on counter or table, it sits nicely next other coffee accessories. Our powerful and durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries with a compact electric design that easily fits in a drawer. No hassle, Zulay guarantee. We love and take pride in our milk frother and we back this up with a lifetime guarantee. Have the confidence that this frother will last. If there are ever any issues, just contact us and we will make it right. Order now and be assured that this product will live up to your expectations, guaranteed. Number 3. ThermoPro TP3 Digital Meat Thermometer for Cooking. About this item, super fast, instant reading thermometer with backlight features 3.9 inches food grade stainless steel probe gets temp readout within 3 minutes 5 seconds with high precision sensor. Accurate readout, cooking thermometer with temp range of -58 about 572 degree Fahrenheit. Accurate to +0.9 degree Fahrenheit, perfect for indoor-outdoor cooking, grilling, BBQ and so on. Easy to use, kitchen thermometer with foldable probe design folds away easily and locks into base for portability. Magnetic back and hook allows for convenient storage. Smart design, digital meat thermometer will auto shut off if readout stays on for 10 minutes. Powered by AA battery, batteries included. Backlight display, grilling thermometer features backlight LCD display to let you see clearly while cooking in the evening, indoors or outdoors. ThermoPro, cook like a pro every time. ThermoPro TP3 is an effective solution to achieve the most accurate temperature in a matter of seconds. The digital kitchen thermometer with a simplistic yet practical design that a push of the button, the fold-away probe will pop open for quick and easy temperature reading, and when you're done taking the temperature measurement, you can fold the probe back in to ensure the probe is kept safe and clean. Don't sweat powering the food thermometer off as it's designed to conserve battery power after 10 minutes of no use. The meat thermometer with a backlit LCD display, reading temperatures in your preferred unit of measurement between Celsius or Fahrenheit is a breeze. Stop overcooking or undercooking your meat in perfect meat temperatures like a professional, ensuring the perfect temp every time you're grilling or cooking. Number 4. Whisk Wiper. Wipe a whisk easily, multi-purpose kitchen tool. About this item, the multifunctional whisk gadget, wipe a whisk and bowl in seconds. Save the recipe, return all that food to the bowl. Forget about the mess. Whisk wiper lifts the loops off the counter and catches drips. Perfectly fits the included 11 whisk. Note: whisk wiper fits other 7-wire whisks best, but doesn't fit every whisk. Note: don't expose to high heat. Hand wash only. Made in USA. The kitchen gadget that started it all. The whisk wiper has changed whisking forever. Cleaning a whisk is now easy, mess-free, and it just feels so satisfying. Clean it fast, wipe your whisk in just seconds. Save the recipe, save all that food that would normally go to waste. Keep the kitchen clean. Mount your whisk on the bowl, counter, and standing up. Whisk wiper even catches drips. It's a spatula too. Whisk wiper's unique design allows you to wipe out the bowl, even bowls with edges. New, now shipping with the updated 14-wire dual whisk. With dual inner and outer rows, it's like 2 whisks in one. Dual whisk is 11 in stainless steel, perfectly fitted to whisk wiper. How to use: first, line up the loops and attach whisk wiper to the whisk. Whisk away. When you're ready, slowly remove whisk wiper and return all that food to the bowl. Hand wash only. Patent protected. Made in USA. Keep your loops up. Keeping the loops up off the counter avoid germs and a big all-annoying mess to clean up. Put your whisk wherever. Stop making yourself dizzy spinning trying to find a place to put down your whisk. Just leave it on the bowl. It won't fall in, we promise. Catch the drips. Stand your whisk up and watch the drips fall neatly onto whisk wiper, your personal drip catcher. No cleanup necessary. Number 5. Watermelon Windmill Cutter Slicer. About this item: efficient watermelon cutting. This watermelon windmill cutter slicer comes with an automatic cutter. Just gently push. The swirling whirlwind blade will quickly cut the watermelon slices into squares, making you and your family and friends enjoy the sweet watermelon pieces. Safe and durable, made from 304 stainless steel and eco-friendly ABS material. This watermelon slicer is BPA-free, certified, rust-proof, drop-resistant, wear-resistant, durable, and safer to use. The unique rounded edge and non-sharp blade design protect your hands well. Easy to use. The watermelon slicer is easy to use without additional tools and does not dirt your hands. You can quickly and easily cut into watermelon fruits with a simple step. The unique design allows you to cut the perfect cube-shaped watermelon slice every time. Comfortable and adjustable, comes with ergonomic handle design. The watermelon cutter is comfortable, non-slip, easy to grip for cutting watermelon quickly. A scale is engraved on the outside of the stainless steel groove to facilitate thickness measurement and meet your different needs. You cut out 0.2 cm watermelon pieces according to your preference. Lightweight and portable. The lightweight and compact design make it easy to use, carry, and store, which is very suitable for home or outdoor camping. The watermelon windmill cutter is easy to clean. Just rinse with water to keep it clean after use. We will give you a stainless steel spoon as a gift for yours. Product description: a watermelon is loved by everyone in summer and it is the best product to cool down. At this time, a watermelon slicer, which can quickly and easily cut watermelons, came into being. Enjoying a delicate plate of watermelon is one of the coolest things in summer. You can enjoy delicious fruits and beautiful summer days, and our amazing whirlwind watermelon slicer will do all the rest for you. This is a fruit cutting tool that allows you to cut watermelons quickly and easily to get the perfect watermelon block. It is made of high-quality stainless steel and ABS material that is very safe, healthy, and hygienic. The watermelon cutter comes with a unique automatic cyclone cutting technology to allow you to cut watermelons easily. Come on, get the YIDADA watermelon windmill cutter for yourself or your family for more convenient and fast life, experiencing the fun time of family party or outdoor picnic. You will be satisfied with this watermelon slicer set. Specifications: item, watermelon slicer cutter. Color, as the picture shows. Material, stainless steel and ABS. Size, 11.81 x 2.74 x 1.46 inches. Weight, 5.6 ounces. Style, healthy and safe. Certification, approved. Package including 1x watermelon slicer, 1x stainless steel spoon. How to use: 1. Confirm the size of the watermelon pieces to be cut. 2. Push our watermelon slicer tool into the watermelon. The windmill slicer blade will automatically cut the watermelon into cube. 3. Extract slicer. They get some perfect watermelon pieces. Tips: there might be a little color difference due to the monitor, camera, or other factors. Due to manual measurement, please allow 1 to 2 centimeters error. Keep away from children to prevent injury. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you need more information or want to know the product price, please read my description. For any type of question, please leave a comment below. Stay informed about our cool products as they inspire you.